Kawo lamabhela sicoco sinuka insundo nangamakhokozela njengelifu lemvula sengela abantwana xa likhithika. Lulo losuku lanamhlanje Wednesday. Today is the 16th of June is 2021. Namhlanje siphethe ikhandlela eliyelo. Lolu suku lokunyanga namhlanje lusuku lwamachiza, amagqabi namaxolo, lusuku lwamanzi, lusuku lwamakhandlela, lusuku lwamafutha, usuku lwengcambu, lusuku lwa yonke nje into enyangayo. Namhlanje sesathi ke is youth day. Sithetha ngayo ke lo mini apho abantu abatsha, young people, shook the pillars of pillage, they shook the foundation of plunder. Abantu abatsha, they shook the foundation that compressed us to servitude esisingaba bamnyama. We dedicate ke olusuku lwanamhlanje to those young people ngoba sithethe ngekhandlela that make us youthful. Sithethe ngalo ikhandlela eliyelo. As we have discussed ke amakhandlela asizungena nzulu sithi abantu besiprofeto bathi abantu namhlanje sithetha nje ka the youthful vibrancy, the youthful energy elikhandlela liyelo eliye lithi liyizise ebomini bethu. Siqale ngalento ekuthiwa yi-orology. People who know about aura kuthiwa you've got this energy field. This energy field ke bantu abahle, some people have gone all out to understand ukuthi what are my colors in my energy field, because it's believed ukuthi all of us, we've got the energies as dominant in our lives, even though okay, they say the energy field may change, but you have your energy field edominatwa icolor ethile. Some people bazawuthi mina ndidominatwa ngu-red, mina ndidominatwa ngu-yellow, mina ndidominatwa ngu-blue, hayi mina ngumagenta. Siyakhumsha ke sibiza ezi colors. You must take time ke mntana omhle to understand what is yours. But ke kwi-orology bazawuthi if wena udominatwa ngu-color oyellow kanye udominatwa icolor eyellow, kuthiwa this color promotes i-sharp memory. Yile khala yabantu who've got i-financial and i-business acumen, ababantu banemali, ababantu bakwazi ukwenza imali ize kubo ebomini. Kuthiwa ipromoter i-joy and communication. Remember we said xa sisebenzisa amakhandlela, every candle, if is a wax candle, paraffin wax candle, the color is white. However, ayadayo la makhandlela abe ngo yellow, abe ngo red and so on. Just like we said, every salt in the world is white. Even if uthetha nge-pink Mayan salt, every salt in the world is white. Ngenxa yezo pigments ke kuloo ndawo lo salt ibikuyo, you'd imagine salt that was near the volcano izawuhambi idibane ne-sulfur, that salt may be yellow. However, ezi salt sizisebenzisayo, all white, sodium chloride, all of them ziyadaya ukuze zibe yilo color yellow, color black, color green, color this, because sodium chloride will always give you one white color. Now, why are we using ke lama kandela with ezi colors? We keep saying we tap into the vibrations, into the energies, into the frequencies, because each color in a wavelength yayo. That's why xa beyijonga ngezanto ze-chroma, into zithi chromatography, spectroscopy rather, xa bejonga ngezanto ze-spectroscopy, they will see the spectrum ukuthi imove from this spectrum to that spectrum. Because of that, each spectrum will have a wavelength, will have a frequency. So we tap into the energy ke yekhandlela, ndikhanyise likhandlela liyelo, because I want to raise my vibrations to the vibrations of the energies of the candle. We've discussed the candle with all its 4 elements and how the 4 elements, they start from there to here and then they vibrate. We've discussed all that. So if you study orology, bazawuthi get the yellow on your side if you want a mental clarity. If you are a business person, have a lot of yellow around wena, so that you become clear, so that you communicate, so that you become vibrant, you become youthful. That was the astrology ke singehla ngayo ke, the positives of yellow and the negatives yophuma ezantsi. But we're not dealing with the negatives today. See, razor our youthful energies. Sibuyele ke ngoku kwikhandlela eliyelo, siqale sitsho sithi the color is part of the so-called warm colors, zikhona i-colors ekuthiwa zi-warm, zikhona ezi-cool. Lena is warm, is bright, is creative. This color, if ukhanyisa ikhandlela lakho eli-yellow, you want to tap into the warmth, you want to tap into the bright, into the creative. Sithi, today we are remembering these creatives, aba bantu batsha who, because of whatever circumstances that their parents could not deal with, they said, no, Tina, we will face this bull, we'll hold it on its, we will hold it, its horns, we will tilt it and kill it. They went all out, they fought using the creativity. That planning of it, June 16 required creativity. The system was shocked. They were not expecting into Enjana. These young people were bright, they were vibrant, they were fearless on this particular day. Kuphinde kuthiwe this color engu yellow xa siyikhanyisa kweli khandlela, one of izinto esinika zona is sunshine. If uthi your mood is low, udiniwe, we've discussed all this. If uthi imood yakho isezantsi, you have depression, when ukhathazekile, you've got all your problems, kuthiwa khanyisa ikhandlela eli-yellow, it raises your youthfulness, iyakuvusa, it brings sunshine in your room, in your house, in your yard, ikwenza ube youthful. No wonder why in our churches we become very vibrant, we become very, invigorated, we become very happy, because in the churches you'll see a lot of yellow. Eli khandlela sithelizisi happiness, so that you get out of your compressed mental state. Umanzi ingathi ingqondo le ayikwazi uswabuluka, ingqondo lena ibanjwe into ngesixhosa kuthiwa ithwe nkci. So you need ukuthi uyi-unspringe ngaba usebenzise lona eli khandlela, you become happy. Sithethile nge-energy, it brings the energy. Those young people that day walking from one corner of the township to another, it required a lot of energy. It also brings joy. When you have eli khandlela liyellow, it brings joy. You can see, sithi ke ngoku, if you are able to accompany your yellow candle with some essential oils, you will learn about these essential oils. Abo lavender, lavender will bring home in your house. It's just not a house now, it's a home. It becomes homey. You can feel banabantu, it's calm, because this candle is doing that. It brings a vibrancy. Eli khandlela liyellow, with the youthfulness come a vibrancy. You can see ukuthi njeba silapha nje, si vibe in the township slang, si vibe kule kona yethu, sizikhanyisele ikhandlela lethu eli yellow. If ke wena you don't have the yellow candle right now, uthi mhlawumbi usaliqokelela, usalizama, usalibumba, kuthiwa even a yellow cloth will help. Go back to ezinkonzo, you'll notice ukuthi there will be yellow in these churches. If they associate isihlwele sakokwenu, or in inverted commas ingelosi, they will give you uyellow, so that you have yellow around you. Uyellow is that energizing energy. Do I make sense? Is that energizing energy? Ile energy kwenza zikhona mosikuthi your energy is very low, but ikhona energy ekuraisayo man. Uyellow will do that. So sithi ke wena mntu othi bendingalazi eli khandlela, sithi not just a candle. Let's remember the day ukuthi abantu abatsha who shook the foundation of plant, abantu abatsha who took us from where we were. Xa sekukhumshwa kwipolitiki kuthiwa uJune 16 was a watershed moment. That was a moment, you see, watershed. You see what this other guy, as I ayibiza ngokuba, is a tipping point, was a tipping point. At a tipping point, things can't go back. They have to tip. At a watershed, things can't go back. They have to move. They have to go down. That was a moment ke xa sikhumbula June 16. We want to be youthful. Ngalo lusuku is called a youth day. Nathi sithi siyi youth ngalo olusuku lwanamhlanje. So let's have our yellow candles. Siwakhanyise kula makhaya ethu, so that nathi we bring the sunshine in our homes. So that nathi we bring the energy. Esenza nathi sibe vibrant, sibe youthful. sibe calm in the brain, siqabulule ezingqondo sezithweni, sikhuphe the depressions, as abantu abatsha had to take our people from the depressing state of apartheid, forcefully ukuthi apartheid yazi ukuthi it can be shaken ngabantwana. What about the parents? Abazali nabo had to step up, had to be youthful because situation changed. They bayibona, but the situation has changed. Then there was no turning back. Nantsoko into besiyiphethe fusing eli khandlela liyelo nolusuku lwange June 16. Siyayeka ke sithi mayilale remembering those heroes Camagu.